Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by getting your source ready. Locate the video, confirm resolution and frame rate, and pick a subtitle format. Open your chosen tool. Simple editors, web tools, or desktop NLEs all work. Then import the video and create a new caption track. This gives you a timeline to place text. Make sure timecodes display in seconds and frames because precise timing matters. Once done, play a short segment and insert your first caption so you can hear, see, and adjust timing immediately. Now you transcribe and sync. Listen carefully and write concise captions, 1 to 2 short lines each, and fix punctuation for readability. Use auto-transcription to speed things up, but correct misheard words, names, and acronyms. This preserves accuracy. Then refine timing. Trim start and end points so each caption appears with the speech, and avoid sudden cuts by leaving brief lead-in and lead-out. Make sure captions don't overlap. If they do, split or stagger them. Once comfortable, run through the whole video to catch timing drift. Finish by exporting and testing. If you need selectable captions, export SRT or VTT with UTF-8 encoding. If you need burned-in subtitles, render a new video. Preview on the same device or platform your audience uses to verify sync, visible line length, and font size. If captions drift or show encoding errors, reopen the project, correct timing or character set, and re-export. Keep a backup of the original subtitle file so you can retry quickly. One tip: if languages fail, confirm the file extension matches the platform.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.